Hello my beautiful moms and dads, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if you are not subscribed to this crazy parenting family, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, so today I'm doing a haul video. This is a Dollar Tree haul video. I don't think I've ever done a Dollar Tree haul video besides when I did my pantry. When I redid my pantry, I showed you guys everything that I purchased. But this one is literally, I just went in and I purchased some cleaning tools, if you will, for the house. I didn't need a whole lot, so it's not gonna be a long video at all. But I did want to show you guys what I got, and I'm kind of curious if they're gonna function for me. Some things I absolutely know they're gonna function, other things, not really sure. So we shall find out. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I got was this container. It's kind of like a cereal container. I'm actually going to use this for my little tablets, my little dishwasher tablets. Instead of, we have a resealable bag that it comes with, but I thought I would put it in a clear container, and then I like that it has the lip on it, you know, like any cereal container, and we can just pour it out, or Nadia can reach in and grab one. So I got this, and then I got these containers to store my extra sponges, my extra like scrub, what do you call it, the metal scrubbers as well. And I'm not sure what the third one is going to be for, I can't remember. But that's what I got these for. So it's like nice and neat under there. I have not fully, organized underneath my sink, my kitchen sink, but I plan to fully organize underneath my kitchen sink. So little by little, it's happening, I should say. And you guys know I will totally bring you an organization video once it's done, because who doesn't like things that are nice and neat and organized? Oops. Anyway, so I also got this, and this is for another video, a DIY I'm gonna do for you guys for Valentine's Day. I have no idea if this video is gonna go up first or the Valentine's Day video. We shall see. But yeah, that's what this is for. So I got this canister, and it has the seal on it. You can just pop that. And good old Dollar Tree, right guys? Like the Dollar Tree, it was $1 for this nice glass jar. And my last bag has several things in it. I already opened this because I needed to do my dishes. Well, a specific pot that I needed to scrub, and that's what these are. It's the aluminum stainless steel scours is what it's called. So I got these, and it comes 3 in a pack for $1. I also needed some new wooden utensils that I cook with, and so I just grabbed these from the Dollar Tree. One has the grooves in it, the other one is plain. Do y'all know I had purchased one of these from Walmart, and that bad boy broke on me? Like, I was so upset. Like, the wood pieces kept coming off of it. I was so mad because I spent $4 on that one wooden spoon, which I thought was fine. Like, I was like, okay, it's $4 for a nice wooden spoon, you know, for me to cook with, wooden spatula. Only for that crap to happen, I was mad. So this time I was like, I'm going to the dollar store, and it doesn't look like I would have that type of problem with those. So we'll see what happens. I got a little duster because I've been slacking on my dusting. When I did my clean with me video, I realized like the dust is real around here. So I grabbed a little duster, and if I'm not mistaken, you can take this off and actually clean it. Let me see, what does it say? Traps are removed dust. It doesn't say if you can clean it or not, but it seems like there's the it can come off. Like, it has the little band on it, and you slide it off. So we're gonna see how this functions and how long it functions. For $1, we shall see. I needed some more gloves to clean with. So I grabbed that. More things falling on the floor. I also got some more sponges. I actually just placed an order with Growth Collaborative, and I have some of their sponges coming in. But in the meantime, I did grab some sponges, and this is Brillo Basic brand. So I got some of these, and I also got the Brillo Basic, like the heavy duty ones. So I bought these. Oh, this is what's going in the other container. I couldn't remember what it was. It's these. These are going in the other container. And then lastly, I also got some window wipes. My kids, like, their fingerprints are everywhere. So I have a back door that's like all glass pretty much. And their fingerprints are all in there because they're constantly in and out that door. And I hate it. And it's so much work to like clean it. I hate it. But anyway, I also hate seeing those fingerprints, so I have to clean it. So I picked some of these up. They're $1. We'll see if they work. I don't know. I hate seeing streaks. I'll probably go behind it with my microfiber cloth. We'll see what happens, guys. But that's it. That is everything that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I will let you guys know if it functions for me or not. Let's hope that it does. Because I mean, who doesn't get excited about a dollar item that actually works, right? Anyway, you guys can find me on all of my social media platforms, Fun with Chair Bear, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Y'all, I have not been on Snapchat nearly as much as I used to be, like clowning and laughing. And anyway, I'm still on there from time to time. So follow me on there as well, and I will see you guys in my next one.